Satyagraha was I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Uttara Assamese Cultural Center for imparting us the art of public speaking. One of the great farewell program I am going to describe to you today. The purpose of the day, I hope you all cooperate with me. Respected audience, today we are gathered here to celebrate this auspicious occasion of the last Jalsa of Anjuman Ishatul Islam on 1st January 2026. We celebrate this day with lot of enthusiasm and enjoy every year as a farewell program. Dear brothers, today we have completed in almost all fields, such as Tilawat Quran, Naat Rasul, Khutbah Jummah, Islamic lectures, etc. Just because of the year of struggle of our teachers and respected teacher Hafizur Rahman Tankar before this special moment. Today our madrasa is well established and dynamic place all over the Assam. Our teachers are the great leaders who taught us about an effective way of successful educated persons like Quran Pak, Hadith Sharif, along with English, math and other general subjects. Our teachers, all our mentors, guiders, and respected guardians also. We should always pay respect to all the Muslim persons. At last, honorable teachers, please forgive us all the mistakes and make walk for goodness. At last, before conclude my farewell speech, I want to say that I can make something out of nothing because I have grown up learning one thing, impossible is nothing. Thank you very